Hi. I always start the vlogs on Sundays, but as George said at the end of last week's vlog, we're on vacation for 3 days after Thursday. So I kind of want to get comfortable, I want to chat for a little bit. Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, I was just editing away. Last week's vlog took me like 10 hours to edit. 5 hours on Sunday and 5 hours on Monday. It was ridiculous. And then yesterday, it took me about 8 hours to edit yesterday's video. I was just going back and forth between the thumbnails and the video and stuff. I think it was 50 minutes of footage. I cut it down to 16 minutes and I was like, oh, that's still way too long. I managed to cut it down to 11 minutes, I believe. Now I just have to work on Friday's video, and I think I might have an extra upload on Saturday, maybe, if I have time. I need to set up an appointment for my lash extensions because I'm really loving them, and this time I think I'm gonna take you guys along. I was gonna take you guys along for the first time of me trying them. I completely forgot. The appointment was really early in the morning and I just completely forgot until I got out. But I'll just mesh some videos together and it should be good to go. But I need to go grocery shopping desperately because we have no food. I need to clean the house, and I actually bought new stuff for the background of my videos, and it's for something that my sister doesn't know about. Kind of tricked her into helping me find a new setup, and we came up with something really, really cute. So you guys, my sister is getting married. My sister's getting married? No, not yet. My sister is possibly gonna get engaged on Sunday. That won't be in this week's vlog, but it's gonna be in next week's vlog. Yeah, so we're all preparing for that. I tricked her into taking me shopping for my background. That was the excuse on Sunday, so that her boyfriend could go ask my parents for her hand in marriage. My parents said yes. So now the only yes left to say is from her. So there's just so much to do. Really so stressful. You're like, what are you talking about? I just finished ordering some of the Kylie Cosmetics summer collection. Like I said in my last video, I am trying to cut down. I was very tempted. It was only like, I think it was under $200 for the entire collection, but I'm really trying to cut down. Currently cleaning, that's why I'm in here, but it's always nerve-wracking because you never know what's gonna go out of stock. Probably none of that is gonna go out of stock. I wanted to have at least some of the things so I can make a video with it. Someone asked me in my anti-haul video what I thought of the summer collection, and I was like, it's cute, but it could have been better. But the lip blushes really caught my attention. So I just got out of Ulta and I did not find what I was looking for. But look at these swatches, you guys. This is from the Lion King collection. Seriously, the camera is not doing it any justice. It's so pretty, and look at that highlight. Like, you can barely tell that's on my skin. I feel like that would be such a good match for me. When I was walking into the grocery store, I saw these flowers and they were so beautiful. And I think they're dyed because I stained my hands and my countertop. What the? I should have got some baby's breath or something, or like filler flowers, because it looks a little bit bare. But these are just so beautiful, and I love having fresh flowers in the house. It just livens up any room. But I think I'm gonna put them in the hallway or maybe just in the living room. I'm not sure. No, it doesn't go with the decor. They don't really smell like anything. I don't even know what kind of flowers these are, but they were $5 and I just thought it was so cute. Like green and orange, so cute. Ooh, boobs. I made some frijoles and I think I'm gonna have some of those. I left this stuff out because this is what we're having for dinner. I think I'm gonna make a little bit of garlic bread with the sourdough. And this is where I ended up putting the flowers. I hate that they're not gonna get any real sunlight, but these type of flowers, I think they die if you put them in sunlight anyway. So, I mean, it's just a little cute pop of color. I hate this yellow lighting. There you go, much better. Probably look crazy. I just took out the braids out of my hair and look how gorgeous my hair looks. I love it, you guys, for summer. This is with no heat. I've just had these braids in my hair for about 2 days. And yes, it was starting to get all frizzy and crazy and stuff, but I'm about to go to my lash appointment. So I don't know how I'm gonna tame this, but I kind of don't want to. And I like how it gives me the illusion of shorter hair too. I just can't. I can't, especially with this volume. Currently doing a mask. Currently can't talk. So I don't know why I'm trying to vlog. Just gonna edit. Sit here, edit, drink water. Hi.
Hello. What are you doing?
Are you ready for... No, he said Dunkin' Donuts.
No, Dunkin' Donuts.
I mean, we can later. But are you ready to start watching Stranger Things? Instead of pizza, like we said, I think we should get Chick-fil-A.
Yes.
Right?
Of course.
Chick-fil-A, Dunkin', Stranger Things. You guys, I just placed my order for the Nordstrom sale. Hopefully that video comes together because I don't know. Are you excited for tomorrow? Oh my god, I'm so excited. So this is it for this very short vlog, you guys. We're about to have some Chick-fil-A and watch Stranger Things. We are so excited. We haven't had any time to watch this, so...
Yes, of course.
You want to say anything?
No, just bye, everybody. Thanks for watching our videos. Give it a thumbs up.
Bye.
Bye.
Don't skip it. I'm so excited.